Far too many people these days struggle with an inefficient home climate without even realizing it. Upgrading your thermostat, or even just getting a proper monitor, will upgrade your comfort, your health, and your wallet in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best smart thermostats and sensors go beyond simple temperature reading, and we have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts on Amazon for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5. ThermoPro TP50 Digital Hygrometer. Let's start with the absolute foundation of home comfort, simply knowing what's going on in your air. The ThermoPro TP50 isn't a controlling thermostat, but it is an essential monitor for any room in your house. For less than $10, this little device gives you high-accuracy readings for both temperature and humidity, updating the data every 10 seconds so you're always seeing the latest changes. Its wellness indicator is a genius feature, giving you a quick glance to tell you if the air is too dry, comfortable, or too wet. This is crucial because proper indoor humidity control has real benefits for your skin, allergies, and overall health. It comes with a tabletop stand and a magnetic back to stick on your fridge. It's powered by a single AAA battery, and it's versatile enough to be used as a fridge thermometer, a greenhouse monitor, or even a cigar hygrometer. If you're flying blind on your home's environment, this is the perfect no-fuss place to start. Number 4. BN-Link Digital Heat Mat Thermostat. Now let's talk about precision control for specific needs. If you're into gardening, have reptiles, or need a stable temperature for fermenting or brewing, the BN-Link Digital Thermostat is your workhorse. This isn't for your home HVAC system. It's a controller for heating devices like seedling mats or reptile heat pads. You plug your heating device into it, place the included temperature probe where you need it, and set your desired temperature between 40 and 108 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built ruggedly, is ETL listed for safety, and can handle devices up to 1,000 watts. The bright, easy-to-read display and indicator lights let you know its status at a glance, even in a dark reptile tank or grow tent. For hobbyists and pet owners who need reliable set-and-forget temperature control for a dedicated space, this BN-Link controller is an affordable and essential tool that delivers peace of mind. Number 3. Amazon Smart Thermostat. Stepping into whole home smart control, the Amazon Smart Thermostat is the champion of value and simplicity. For under $80, this Energy Star certified thermostat is designed to be an easy upgrade from a traditional one, potentially saving you an average of $50 a year on your energy bills. The installation is guided by the Alexa app, but do check their compatibility tool first, as it does require a C-wire or an adapter. Once installed, the magic happens through Alexa. You can control it with your voice using an Echo device, or from anywhere with the Alexa app on your phone. It offers automatic scheduling and can even switch to an energy-saving away mode. While it doesn't have built-in occupancy sensing on its own, you can create comfort zones by pairing it with select Echo devices for a more advanced setup. If you're already in the Amazon ecosystem and want a no-nonsense, money-saving smart thermostat that just works, this is your ideal and most budget-friendly smart home hub for your climate. Number 2. Google Nest Thermostat. A legend in the space, the Google Nest Thermostat balances smart features with a sleek, modern design. It's famous for its ability to learn and adapt. It turns itself down when it senses you've left the house, so you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty home. You can easily program an energy-efficient schedule right in the Google Home app and control it remotely from any device. A standout feature is its Savings Finder, which actively looks for more ways your schedule can be tweaked to save you even more money. It also keeps an eye on your HVAC system, sending you helpful alerts if something seems off. While it's designed to work in most homes without a C-wire, checking their online compatibility checker is still a smart move. For a proven intelligent thermostat that combines automated savings with effortless control and the backing of the Google Assistant ecosystem, the Nest thermostat remains a top-tier choice that continues to evolve and save you money. Number 1. ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Our top pick for the ultimate in smart automated comfort is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. This is the premium package that thinks ahead for you. It comes with everything you need for a do-it-yourself installation, including a power extender kit for homes without a common wire. Its killer feature is the built-in radar occupancy sensor. It doesn't just guess when you're home, it knows, and it will actually start preheating or pre-cooling before you arrive, so your home is the perfect temperature the moment you walk in the door. It learns your preferences and schedule and automatically adjusts based on factors like humidity for optimal comfort. You can control it with any major voice assistant, Siri, Alexa, or Google, and for the ultimate in precision, you can add Ecobee smart sensors to different rooms. The thermostat will then detect which rooms are actually in use and adjust the temperature accordingly, ensuring no wasted energy. While it's an investment, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced delivers the most holistic, hands-free, and energy-efficient experience, potentially saving you up to 26% on your yearly bills. It's the complete smart home climate commander.